Parametric design involves the use of parameters. We speak in terms of features rather than location of points. Most of the CAD systems today rely on parametric design. Let us consider this cube. Instead of specifying XYZ coordinates of each vertex, we talk about the length, width, and height, which are called parameters. The model, when parametric, is easy to modify and make changes, easy to repeat and reuse. So let's see how we can design this parametrically so that we can make many changes and bring more creativity into our product with little variations. As Fusion 360 is by default parametric software, the features that we have created have also been saved in terms of parameters. So now we are going to give relationship between each other so that we can make changes easily.